Fall back asleep fast. So we've all been there, right? You wake up in the middle of the night and you can't get yourself back to sleep. So here's two things you can do to fall asleep fast. The first one is to relax. Usually when we wake up in the middle of the night, we start thinking about the next day and how bad it's going to be because we're going to be so exhausted and tired. And as we think about that, we start getting anxious and tense. We start releasing adrenaline to our body, which is the opposite direction of sleep. So the first thing you want to do is just relax your body and calm down as much as you can. Now, the second one's really the interesting one. And before I tell it to you, it's important to understand that when you go to sleep, one of the things that's happening is you're going from your conscious logical mind to your subconscious illogical imagination mind. You know this because you've had the experience of falling asleep, like you're literally falling, when in reality you're just laying there. And that's that crossover point where you shift over into your sleep dream mind. And this is why your dreams are bonkers, right? They're all over the place because it's a very surreal way of thinking about things. So if we think about when you wake up, usually you're activating your conscious logical mind. You're consciously logically thinking of how bad tomorrow's going to be and all the bad things are going to happen from not sleeping well tonight. And that's your logical mind. So what you want to do instead is you want to start activating your sleep dream mind by thinking in a surreal way. And so there's a lot of ways to do this, but I'll give you one example. So let's say that you're going to go to work tomorrow. You can imagine going to work tomorrow, but you want to imagine a surreal way. So you'll imagine that you're flying to work. You can imagine once you get to work, your coworker is actually a dog and you're having a conversation with him. So again, these are just some funny examples, but think about it. That's how you think when you're sleeping and dreaming. So the more surreal you get, the easier it is to just slide right back into a dream. It's the opposite of that conscious thinking and trying to logic ourselves back to sleep. So try these two things next time you wake up at night and see how fast you can fall back to sleep.